How to bring your art to life with simple animation. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. If you are a kid and you draw something and you want to add animation to that character, how you guys can do that. So for that we will use Google Chrome. Here you guys will open new tab. Now search for animation to drawing. Once you search for that, here you guys will see animated drawings meta. So simply click on that. Now click on try it now. Here you guys will see cookie, so simply accept it. Now click on upload photo. Upload your that drawing. Now wait. Now click on next. We will wait for some seconds. It will start scanning. Here again on next. Now wait again. Here you guys will see eraser or marker, so it's upon you if you want to add modification to your drawing, but I will skip it and I will click on next. We will wait for some seconds. Here bones was added to our drawing, so simply click again on next. Now wait, here you guys can see add animation. So in animation you guys have a lot of options like dance, funny, jumping, walking. So I will simply click on walking and I will add some random walk to my character, for example that one. Now let's see how it turns. So it will start applying and we will wait for some second. Here we go, our drawing has walking animation. So that's how you guys can do that. For saving that video, click on share and save it in your gallery or share it on social like WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Thanks for watching.